Hey everyone. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing for the Hair Detox Kit 2.0. So I'll see you in the video. Alright, so we have the Hair Detox Kit 2.0 from BirchBox. It's to revitalize your hair and scalp with the clarifying essentials. And then we have, of course, everything that's in the little bag here, and what it's for, and prices and stuff like that. So I'll read that here in a second. So let's go through the bag. So I already opened it up. It's a clear plastic bag, which is kind of nice since it's supposed to be like for showering and stuff like that. So the first thing we have is a scalp brush. Let's see. This is for BirchBox's brand for the scalp brush. This is to brush polishes away dandruff and buildup for your scalp. And basically you just, use this like you were to scratch your head in the shower, and it's supposed to help get rid of all of that, which I'm hoping to use really soon because that would be really nice. Also, you get a free little massage. Okay, so we have another Amika brand. This is the Reset Pink Charcoal Scalp Cleansing Oil. You can probably hear my husband in the background with the dog. He's being silly. Alright, this replenishing treatment removes buildup and leaves your scalp balanced. So this is supposed to be something that helps balance out the oils and everything else on your scalp. And it looks like there's two different types. So you have what looks like an opaque up here and a more clear down here. So I think you just kind of shake it up. That's what it seems like you do. But it comes in a little squeezy bottle, kind of like hair dye. So it looks like you just clip the little tip off you have here, and then you can just squirt it in your hair. So we got that. Let's see. We have what looks like Solu. It's a sea salt scrub cleanser. Let's see, which one's this one? What brand are you? Oh, you're Davis. Or Davinus. The Soul Sea Salt Scrub Cleanser. This is an all-natural scrub. Breathes new life into your hair by eliminating everyday pollution and added volume. So it's supposed to help volumize your hair and everything, but it's supposed to help strip away all the dead skins and different pollutants that you have in your hair from your day. And it's a pretty good sized tub, I would say. Alright, let's see this next one here. Alright, so we have a Christopher Robin. I'm probably saying the name wrong, so if someone knows how to say this, please correct me on any of them. Alright, we have, let's see, which one's this one? The Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. This one is also another sea salt scrub. This rebalances your scalp by removing products, buildup, pollution, dirt, oil with this clarifying color safe formula. So this one says that it is specifically good for colored and non-colored hair. So we have this one. And most of these are pretty big sizes. Let's see. What's this one? This is Aranco Acid Wash. That sounds interesting. Alright, Acid Wash ACV Cleansing Rinse. Apple cider vinegar and aloe vera clarifying your scalp without stripping natural oils. So that's nice. So this is supposed to help keep all of your natural oils and minerals and stuff like that in your hair, and just giving it a nice clean rinse. So the acid part would be the apple cider vinegar. So it's not actually a harsh thing for your hair. Let's see. This is from N4 High Performance Hair Care. See, this one is, it's in French, it looks like, so I'm not able to say that very clearly, but it is a clarifying mask. And this restorative treatment uses jojoba oil and shea butter to hydrate. So I may not be able to use this one. I will give it a try, but I do have an allergy to shea, so I will test it out and see if I'm okay with it or not. I'd be sad if I can't. Okay. Oh, this is the conditioner, it looks like, and then this one is going to be the shampoo. And then this one is also from number 4. And then this one is supposed to oil and product buildup fast. This shampoo removes everything, stopping hair's natural shine. So this is supposed to promote your hair's natural shine. Okay, let's see. This little one here is chlorine. It's an anti-pollutant. Let's see if I can find it on here. What brand? Okay, the brand is chlorine. Okay, the anti-pollutant purifying mist. This mist neutralizes the smell of unwanted scents that get absorbed into hair, while adequate mint detoxifies and protects from pollution. So I would assume that this one's kind of like if you're having a very long day and you maybe been outside doing a bunch of stuff and you're all like sweaty and stuff like that, you could use this to kind of freshen up. Or if you were in a building that wasn't very pleasant smelling, you could also use this to freshen up as well. Okay, let's see this one little thing over here, and then we'll get the big thing. Alright, so Living Proof Perfect Hair Day, or PhD, Triple Detox Shampoo. Alright, let's see. Living Proof. Alright, so the Living Proof Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo infuses with active charcoal, witch hazel, sorry. This shampoo breaks down product pollution and hard water. So if you live in an area with hard water, then this would be good for keeping your hair soft. So I do live in an area with hard water, so we'll see if that changes my hair at all. Alright, and the last thing in the bag, I should say, is the Orbeez Scalp Exfoliating Scrub. Okay, let's see, where is this? Orbeez? Yes, Orbeez is the Serene Scalp Exfoliating Scrub. Exfoliates your scalp and cleanses with a blend of alpha hydroxy acids and fruit extracts. This is a once weekly before shampooing. You would massage it into your scalp and rinse. So I'm assuming that this is a bottle, so let's find out. So I kind of like the package. It is a little squished, probably from being in the bag, but it's just a creamy white and baby pink box. It's got a little bit of texture to it. It's got the traditional Orbeez logo on top there. So let's see what the actual container looks like. Okay, so this is a very large bottle. So I'm assuming that this is going to be some sort of... Oh, that's interesting. It's got a little dropper thing. So it looks like it's got some little like particles in there that would help exfoliate. You just squeeze it out. I'm not going to do that right now. But there is all of those. So let's just get these where you guys can see them better. So there. And this is supposed to be the detoxing. So we have all of them from the Amicas all the way down to the Living Proof. And these are the scrub containers. So you get all of these in the bag. And then that's about it really for that. Yeah, it's a better look at that. And then the Orbeez comes in this box, of course. Alright, so if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, it would be very appreciated. And I just want to thank you for watching. See you later.